Summer days got me thinking about what I wanna do.
Hello, Cancerians. Um, Today I'm going to be doing the reading for your love life, and we're going to see about what does your person thinks about you, what is the feelings your person is carrying, and everything. So let's check out whether, first of all, if you are in no contact, whether they will contact you or not. Let's see. Okay, wow. I can see that your person will contact you. Okay, right now they could be in a bit of defensive mode. I can see that your person is not willing to speak to you. They could be having a lot of fears in their life, but I think deep down they have this thought that you are their queen. You are someone who is their feminine energy, who balances them. Okay, so I feel if you have any no contact with them, I can see your person is contacting you. Let's check out the feelings of your person. Whatever. Okay. What are the feelings of Cancer's person for Cancerians? Okay. Cancer, I can see there are a lot of hurricane of emotions over here. Okay. And I can see that your person is pretty well interested in you, Cancers. Okay. The very important thing that I see over here in this relationship is that right now your person could not be willing to speak to you, or it could be a situation where they don't want to talk to you or something like that. But that is a illusion. Okay, that is a kind of illusion that I feel, which is between you and your person, because I can sense that they want to come to you. I can sense that they want to give you emotions. I can also sense that some of you, the feminine energy over here is very stubborn. Or I could say that the masculine energy over here is very accepting in that sense. But accepting in a way where I feel the energies of you inside them are pretty stubborn. That person is not stubborn. So I can say in both the ways that probably your person could be not stubborn, but you are stubborn. So regarding the feelings, I could say that your person really wants to communicate with you. In some sense, I can feel that they are going with a little bit of low vibrational energy right now in their head regarding you. But there is lot of love, and there is lot of emotions about you that they have. Okay, communication is what they still want to do with you. Okay, even though if in the head it is not coming very often, energetically they still want to contact you. Let's ask more questions, that what are the feelings of my cancerians love partner have for them. Okay, let's check out. Okay, what I see over here is that this person is making a very strong decision, Cancerians. Okay, this person is making, I wish your wish come true, that they come with the positive colors. Many blessings to you. I think this person is coming with some decision. Okay, and the only thing you need to take care about it with your love person is that I feel that Either they will come with a decision, or either they are indecisive right now. There is both the state of situation. Okay, they may lie. Okay, I can sense the energies that this person can be a liar. So just make sure that when they will come back, is they really, I mean, they are really interested in you. Because it could be like, I'm just sitting and I'm just saying the things for a sake, because energetically a person feels your emotions still inside. But honesty is also important. Every relationship should have some quality. You can have relationship with any person on this planet, because God has created us, and we everybody have the ability to heal, change, transform, and create magic. But that doesn't mean that we are going to not see the value that we have. Because I'm feeling like Cancers, you are very emotional people, and you are very lovable by your heart. What does your heart says, Cancers, you all do that. So just take care that this person is not fooling you, or this person is not just using their brains and energetic things always, but yet they are also being very honest to you. Emotions are there, but it has to be a loyal emotion. Okay, I need to check more. They could come with a more mature approach right now. Okay, I can see that there is some maturity between them, or some change, or some new maturity that is coming between you and this person. Okay, there is something regarding the maturity stuff coming over here. I can also see that if you're waiting for their message, I don't think so that their message is going to come immediately to you. But I wish that their message come to you immediately, but it will take some time. Okay, let's check out more messages. Cancers, that what does my Cancers love people think about them, feel about them. Okay, wow. Cancers, you can rely on your person. Since this is a general reading, you have not booked a personal reading with me, guys. And I could say that this is someone who really, see, I feel there is a very strong spiritual connection that you have with this person. There is something like, you may be a past life relationship with this person, or you may have a very strong feeling that, even you leave this person, you are always connected with this person. The reason is that because this person is also finding you, and this person is also always thinking about you. Okay, maybe conscious, mostly he is not thinking you consciously, but energetically this person carries you, whether they are not aware about it or not, I don't know. But they have some sense of communication and sense of energetic cord with you. Also with the King of Pentacle, I feel that they may be thinking of marriage with you. Okay, a serious marriage. If King of Pentacle could have came reversed, I could have literally said that do not wait for this person. Literally get over this person and move ahead in your life. But I see that with the King of Pentacle, you can still speak to this person, and this person has highest chances of really giving you the best that you can. You can rely upon this person. Okay. Let's ask about whether your families will accept both of you or not. Okay, whether Cancer's family. Okay, clarify the Page of Pentacles reverse. Okay, see, guys, Cancers, I want to say you all one thing, that your family issue is there a lot. Okay, there is a very strong issue of family over here, which I can see, which is very very strong. Okay, and I can see that this is someone who is a very head of the house. Okay, either your house or their house, there is someone. And especially if I could see with this female, there could be a mother, a dadi, a sister, or someone who is very strong in their house, that what this person says or what this lady says in the house is what people will always feel correct, and that's what these people follow. And that is the reason, because this lady is saying not to approach you, that is why maybe your person is not able to come forward. If at all it is a situation that there is some family problem between you and your person, okay, that could be also a reason in this case. Because with this empress reverse, again there is a lady reverse over here, so I can connect that there is a lady influence in your reading, or there is a mother. Mostly I could say there is mother, there could be a dadi, there is no sister over here, there is someone, a head person, who is head person in our home. Okay, it could be a grandmother, it could be your mother, or it could be someone who is your mother's mother, or someone who really earns a lot or holds the money power, or someone who says anything that okay, you know, do this, you have to do that, and everything follows that. That is not a masculine energy, but that is the feminine respect that you give in the house to that person. Okay, so this is what the energy that I'm getting over here. Let's ask that whether this family issue will get overcome between you and that person's family, whether the family issue will be overcome. Okay, uh cancers, there is a really good news over here that the family issue can overcome. Okay, the issue of the family will be overcome. Okay, why? Because I'm saying that you may be overthinking in this situation, and what you're doing is you're putting yourself is in some kind of the mental torture. Okay, and because you are putting yourself in some kind of mental torture, you are actually killing your mind. And the more you kill your mind, the more you kill your manifestations. So it is very important that you should not kill your manifestations and make your mind unhappy in this situation. So I feel that this resolution, there will be some solution to this thing. Okay, let me ask that whether the cancer's person will apologize them. Yes, this reading is very positive, guys. I feel that if your person has not apologized you, or your person is not giving you apology, then they are going to do that. Not only that, I feel that there is a major drastic transformation with this death card over here. Okay, if you see with this death card, there is a really major transformation going on in your life right now, and this transformation will help you to bring this person back the message in your life. Okay, let's check out the advice for you, cancers, in this love situation. Advice for my cancers in this love situation. Advice for my cancers in this love situation. Okay. Cancer, it is okay that someone is right now not talking to you. You may be feeling very defensive. You may be feeling like, my God, what I need to do right now. The advice here is that do not try to give this justice to this situation more, and go out of the way and try to really balance the situation and start speaking with this person that, hey, hi, why are you not speaking to me, why this happened and everything. You're going to go in a big loss if you're going to do that. The major advice is sit back and just put a big boundary in between this person, let the person feel that you are detached from them. And as soon as you show that energetic cord to this person is very energetically connected to you. As soon as you leave the energetic cord from this person will definitely come back to you and they will start speaking to you. Okay, just emotionally let go of the complete situation. Okay, if you want, I could suggest you that go on YouTube, I'm sorry, on YouTube search detachments and how to release your manifestations videos. You will get your manifestation once you release this person. Okay, I also see that you will get a lot of mental clarity, and for some of you, if it was a third party situation, I can see you are getting rid of that if you are going to meditate and cleanse the energy during this situation. So cancers, thank you so much for listening to my reading, and welcome all to my channel. Okay, I would like to thank everybody who are my subscribers on the channel. And if you are a Cancer and if this reading has resonated with you, or if you have got something that what type of reading I should do, please let me know in the comment section that what type of reading do you want. And if you are someone new here, please do like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can help you all. Thank you so much and God bless you.